Hail. So now we don't write the functionality for this package. The next thing we will need to do now to push on to NPM. If you never watched the video, we will talk about how to set up NPM locally if you go watch that video, because this video is a very short one. Before we begin, I just want to increase this version to 3. Then if I do git status, it will give me that. Then I do git add. Then I'll just say git commit. Then I'll say bump version from 1.0.2 to 1.0.3. Alright, then I'll do git push. That one could go. Okay, we don't push them. Now to publish to NPM, because we don't already did login. If you know the login, we just say NPM login, but we don't already did login. All I just need to do now to do NPM publish. So it don't publish 1.0.3 for us. So we could go NPM. I'll just copy this one here. If you go NPM, if you want to see the package, you just go package. Okay. I need to come on down. I just put that here. You see? And it talks in now a few seconds ago. Now we'll publish them. So people now fit start to use them. If you copy this one now and put down for your project, you could use those two API will provide all African countries and random African country. If you get any question, you just comment for this video. But now waiting, I just want to show for this video be that. And if you never subscribe on my channel, if you subscribe so that anytime we are publishing a video, YouTube go notify you now. I hail later.